In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on Meta AI in Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you are already logged into your account. At the top right, you're going to find the search icon. Click on that. Normally, it should display something like search with Meta AI. If you don't see that option, don't worry because we are going to fix it right now. Start by backing out of the search section and tapping on the messenger in the top right corner of the screen. This will open Messenger. Next, look for the Ask Meta AI option, usually located near the bottom right corner, and tap on it to open the Meta AI chat screen. Once we're inside the Meta AI chat, tap the information icon represented by a small eye in the top right corner. This will open the chat settings page. Here, look for the mute option. If the Meta AI has been muted, you'll see a mute icon with a line through it. Simply tap on it to unmute Meta AI. After doing that, back out of the settings and return to the Facebook. Meta AI should now be working properly, allowing you to ask questions and use all the features directly within the Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can enable Meta AI and fix it's not appearing on a Facebook account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.